So what are we doing?
So we're taking off the intake on a B9 S4. We're gonna replace it with a CTS intake. So dish soap and water. So that it's sealed properly-ish. We had to do some cutting, kind of bad at cutting, so try to seal it so that, you know, it sits perfectly. Oh yeah, baby.
6.5 hours later.
Gucci.
Are you f***ing ready to go choo-choo?
Oh yeah. Let's start this thing.
Go choo-choo.
Yeah.
Sorry neighbor, I'm really sorry. I just was really excited.
Yo.
I'm not even used to this yet. like this is new. Yeah. Like jeez.
First impressions, 10 out of 10.
Ooh, do it. It's $200 and you can struggle like me for 30 minutes and you get this baby.